Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can log into Brevo. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome in here. So after opening the browser, now you have to go to the search bar right here and start typing www.brevo.com. After you have typed that down, or tap on the enter button on your keyboard, and this will take you to the official website of Brevo. So in here you can see this is the official website, and on the top right here you can see the option of login right here. Click on it. And here you can see this is the login page of Brevo, and all you have to do is add in your email address and your password. If you have signed up your Brevo account with your Google, you can click on this option, sign in with Google. And if you have signed up with your Apple, you can click on this option, sign in with Apple. Since I have signed up manually, I'm going to add in my email address first. And after writing down the email address, now you have to write down the password of your Brevo account. So after adding down your password, all you have to do is click on this login button. And just like this, here you can see you have now been successfully logged into your Brevo account. Here you can see your name right here, and here you will be able to see your business name. And like this, you would know that you have been logged in. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.